Good morning, New York. Today is my first day here. I am excited today. Today I will go shopping. Almost ready for the city. There, all set. Adventure time. The city is very busy. This place is amazing.
Excuse me, could you take our picture?
Of course.
Great, thanks. Just press this button. Smile!
You're welcome. I want to find a store. That jacket looks nice. Hello? How much is this jacket? It's $50. It's a little expensive, but it's beautiful. I think I'll try on another. No problem at all. You look beautiful. I will buy it. I will pay by card. No problem. Place the card on the reader. Okay, done. Perfect. It's processing. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a great day. Now I want sneakers. Look at those sneakers.
Welcome in. How can I help you?
Hi. Just looking for now, thanks. Wow, these feel amazing.
They look great on you. Ready to check out?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. I'm hungry.
Here you go, miss. Enjoy the best dog in the Big Apple.
Thank you. It looks amazing. Oh no, Mommy, Snickers! Maybe I forgot them at the store. Hi, I think I forgot my sneakers here.
Are these yours?
Yes, thank you so much. I am so happy now. Today is a great day. I want a coffee. Hello. One coffee, please. I like this place.
Are you visiting New York?
Yes, it's my first time.
Welcome to New York.
Thank you. I love it.
You should visit Central Park.
That sounds great.
Enjoy your day.
Thank you. You too. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like it. Today was an incredible day. I can't believe everything we experienced together. See you next time!